I'm going to show you how I took this wig from looking like this right here to looking like this. If you want to see how to maintain your bone straight hair, please keep on watching this tutorial. So my client sent me this wig to revamp it, and she bought this hair from me. She bought 2 bundles and a closure. So the first thing I'm going to do is to get the hair wet, and after wetting the hair, I'm going to use my Tresemme shampoo, which is a silky and smooth shampoo, to wash the hair. Applied a generous amount of that conditioner, and I started to massage the products to the rest of the hair. Next, you're going to need to add water because of course we need the hair to lather. How would you take out the dirt that is trapped in if you don't pour water on it? So of course, after I finished massaging that product all over the hair, I mean to squeeze out the dirty water and then get water to rinse it off, and try and lather the hair a little bit more to just ensure that any of the dirt, oils that are trapped in there gets to come out. Yeah, so you can see the dirty water coming out of the wig right now. What I'm going to do next is just to rinse the wig off, and I will now go about my second wash because of course one wash is not enough. More shampoo would be applied right now. So I added a little bit more shampoo, and I started to use my hands to massage the product all over the hair while I'm also trying to scrub the hair to ensure that I get it to be very clean. Please, if you're going to wash your wig the way I wash mine, please make sure you detangle your wig. Don't try and wash your synthetic or all those hair blends the way I'm washing this one, because you just get that hair completely matted. So take your time and detangle the hair well, and be careful when you're washing it, especially when it's not human hair. But if it's human hair, go ahead. I'm applying my Tresemme conditioner, and this is the Rich Moisture conditioner. Using a very generous amount, I apply the product all over the hair, and I'm using my hands to massage it all over from the top all the way to the tips of the hair. Apply it a little bit more to ensure that the whole hair is well conditioned. Then I'm using my Argan Oil Keratin Magic Complex as my deep conditioner. I apply the generous amount all over the hair and try to use my hands to massage it all through to ensure that the product goes all over the entire wig. Then next, it's my castor oil to add a bit of moisture to the hair and also strengthen the strands of this hair. What I'm going to do next is to detangle the hair and then heat it up in the microwave for about 3 minutes. And after I'm done heating it up, what I'm going to do next is to rinse off the hair. And after rinsing off the hair, I'm going to brush through it and then air dry the wig. If you're watching this tutorial so far and you're getting value out of it, please make sure you smash the like button and share this video with somebody who's also going to get value out of it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, sis bro, what are you waiting for? Join the community, subscribe to my channel, and let's get back to this tutorial. So after I've dried the hair, this is what it looks like. So what I'm going to do now is to start styling it. I put away the up part of the hair and use my hair clip to clip it on top. And to start styling this hair, what I'm going to do is apply my Moroccan Argan Oil Serum to the hair, this small section at the bottom part. And next, I'm going to reach out for my heat protectant spray and spray it all over the hair. I have a tutorial on the products that I use for my hairstyling, so check my hair playlist. I have a hair playlist. Just go through the playlist, you see all the products. I've reviewed several heat protectant sprays and serums that I use. Just check my playlist. Let's say you don't see the products read in a video, check other videos, you would see it, or just check my playlist, you see me mention these products over and over again. Or you can even do a Google search of the name of the product that I mentioned to check them out. I'm using my Cloud9 hair straightener, and the heat of the hair straightener is on to 30 degrees Celsius. I comb through the hair with that small comb, and then I start using the hair straightener to straighten the hair from the top of the hair all the way to the tip of the hair. And I don't stop straightening the hair until the hair is as sleek and as straight as it was originally, as a bone straight hair. You can see how the hair is responding because it's giving me that bone straight vibe that I want. I reach over to another section of the hair, I comb through it, and I'm using my hair straightener to straighten it. This section that I cut out here is a little bit big, so I'm going to need to divide it into a smaller section, into a smaller portion, and then straighten it. But let's just keep on straightening the hair until we are pleased with the results that we have. So now I'm cutting out the smaller section to enable me work more effectively, because it's not about just rushing to style a client's wig. You need to ensure that even the hairs on the middle part, the back, every strand of the hair on that wig gets to be straightened. We don't do any rush work here. No, you take your time and do it. If you've committed that you're going to do this thing, you do it well. If you're not going to do it well, don't bother starting. That's how I work. If I'm not going to do it well, I don't bother starting. If I'm not in a mood, I don't walk. I wait until I'm in a mood too, and then I start doing the work, and I do it to the best of my ability, and I move on. Yes. So I'm going to take my time and straighten the hair in small sections until I'm pleased with how it is, and then I move over to another section and I keep on straightening the hair. If you're getting value from this video, please make sure you like this video and share it with somebody who is also going to get value out of it. And if you haven't purchased my ebooks, how to start your hair business and hair extensions and how to test its quality, please click the link and check the description box. You're going to find links to where you can shop these books from on my website. And if you want to purchase the paperback copy of How to Start Your Hair Business book, it's available on Amazon. Please check the description box also. The link to purchase the books are in the description box. Yeah, thanks so much for supporting this channel and sharing my videos with someone, and just engaging with the content and letting the ads play in the video. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Yeah, so most times when I'm styling wigs, I'm usually listening to music or just listening to someone's video on YouTube, because I really love YouTube and I also like TikTok. So most times when I'm styling wigs, I'm listening to music or just listening to random video on YouTube. So if you see me shaking my head, it means that I'm listening to music and I'm really enjoying the songs. Yeah, so back to straightening the hair. I'm just taking small sections of the hair and straightening it until I'm pleased with how straight the hair is. You need to be really patient when you're doing this process because it takes time. If you're going to work meticulously, to be careful to ensure that no part of the hair is left out, it's going to take time. So just take your time and ensure that you straighten the hair very well. And when you finish one part of the hair, you can proceed to the next section. So right now what I want to work on is the hair around the top part of the hair, which is around the closure area. So I applied my Moroccan argan oil serum and I also sprayed my heat protectant spray. Then I cut out the small section of the hair. I used the hair straightener to straighten it, and I take out another section again. I'm going to also comb through it and then use my hair straightener to straighten the hair from the top all the way to the tip of the hair. And I'm going to do the same thing on this other side right here. Take your time and straighten it. You might need to probably run through the hair straightener, run through that hair with the straightener about 5 times, 3 times, 6 times. It just depends on the quality of the hair you're working with. So just keep on working with the hair straightener until you're pleased with how straight the hair is. Most times I find that when you buy all these Chinese straight hair, you would struggle to straighten it. So I feel like the Vietnamese bone straight hair is one of the easiest hairs to straighten. When I applied my hair wax on the closure area. Then I used my hot coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area. I combed through it and then flattened the hair around the closure area from one side to the other side and also the back of the closure area. And this is the finished look. Voila! This is what we are ending with compared to what we started with right here. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. Remember, people would have courage to live a positive life, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, love.